Okay guys, let me show you how to make a presentation in a minute. There's an AI tool that is Gamma AI. Just go to the website and just start for the free. You can pay, but you can start with the free. Just type your email and they will send you the email link to confirm on your email. Just confirm it and then come back and sign in on their website. And like we're doing it here, and just sign in and then wait for them, and this they asking for is for personal your business, what describes your role, so you can choose any option from here. We are choosing marketing, and then we'll ask how many people. You just say I'm just saying we, just me, and how you hear about them. I'm just saying Google, and that's the platform. So we can just go to, they gave you 400 credit for free, and you can go to create new to create a new presentation. So this we can select generate. There are different options you can go with them too. Because we are generating from just we are giving them a single line, just saying 5 tips to save money every month, and we just gonna hit generate outline. It's gonna generate the outline showing you it did all the work himself. So you can just check the wording. If you want to change, you can change, select that part, and you can type. If you don't like anything, you can add a different card too. If you want to add something else, and if you don't like anything, you can change it. And it also gives us different options, how you like the text, how you like the visuals, how you want the visuals, how you want to add any AI images. It's a couple of options that they give. You can play around. You can select that option and then just hit generate and start generating. Just look how fast it's going to generate your presentation, which will take you a whole day to make it, and it will make it in a minute or two. Have a look how they're generating it. It's generating the images by itself, designing it, and doing all the work on him itself. You don't need any PowerPoint, no design skills. Just type what you want, and it's gonna be done. Just look how it's working on it itself. I'm doing all the work. You may have to spend a whole day designing that. Just keep going, just completing all the work. I don't even need any design skills. It's generating its images. It's done. You see how fast it's done. It's just only, I think, took a minute. And now it's gonna show us all the different things we can do with it. You can edit. If you don't like anything, you can just edit, just type, select and type. Let's go. So if you want to add different slide in, you can just add a slide. Just click the add button. You can add in between, or you can add anywhere you can add it. They show you different options here. The first thing is done. Now we're gonna click the add a card. It will gonna show us how you can add the card, like add a slide inside. Then is how to you can reorder the cards or reorder the slides. The cards means you the slides that's in the PowerPoint. You can reorder it up or down with the arrows, or just select it and just move it up or just move it down. And if you did a mistake, just do the Control Z and it will come back. It's just pretty much easy, straight, simple. You don't need any hard skills. You can add charts, diagrams, or you can embed URL links. They gave you all the options. They even show you how to do it. You can change the theme. They show you how to do it. Just click the theme button and they just change the theme. Then you can change all the theme, the backgrounds and everything. You can just edit with the AI. Just select, click on edit with the AI right up here and just type what you want to edit and it will just do it itself. You don't need to do anything. If you want to present it to somebody, just click the present button and it will start presenting. And you can share it with somebody else if with just with one click and you can share. You see how simple it is to make presentation these days. Please share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.